Sometimes life doesn't fall apart all at once. It fades quietly. Your motivation slips a little. Your focus blurs. And before you know it, you're stuck in a loop of overthinking, scrolling, and waiting for someday. But here's the truth. You don't need another new year. You don't need another chance. You just need 7 days. 7 days to reset your mind and take back control of your life. Because your mind is not broken, it's just cluttered. And in the next 7 days, you'll learn how to clear the noise and rebuild your mindset into something unstoppable. Day 1. Awareness. The first step isn't about changing your life. It's about seeing it clearly. Most people run from their thoughts. They bury pain under distraction. Today, do the opposite. Sit down, alone. No phone, no music. Ask yourself, what am I avoiding? What's controlling me? When you face the chaos inside you, you take its power away. This isn't weakness, it's the beginning of strength. Because you can't reset what you refuse to confront. Day 2. Detachment. You can't build a strong mind if it's tied to every noise around you. Social media, opinions, gossip, they drain your focus drop by drop. So today, disconnect. Turn off notifications. Stop checking who viewed your story. Don't chase validation, chase clarity. Imagine your brain as a clean room. Every notification is dust. And right now, you're sweeping it away. By the end of day 2, you'll start to feel it. That lightness, that silence you forgot existed. Day 3. Forgiveness. This is where most people get stuck. They try to move forward carrying guilt, anger, and regret, like running a marathon with weights on their back. Listen, you can't reset your mind if you're still punishing yourself for the past. Forgive yourself for not knowing better. Forgive others who didn't treat you right. Not because they deserve peace, but because you do. Forgiveness doesn't mean forgetting. It means freeing your energy from what no longer deserves it. Day 4. Reprogramming your thoughts. Every day, your brain listens to you. If you keep saying, I can't, I'm tired, I'll try later, your brain believes you. So today, start reprogramming it. Replace doubt with direction. When you wake up, say out loud, I am becoming disciplined. I am capable. I am not who I was yesterday. Say it until your mind starts to believe it, because belief is built through repetition, not luck. Day 5. Focus. Today, you stop multitasking your way through life. The secret to a strong mind isn't doing more. It's doing one thing with full energy. Pick one goal for the next 24 hours. Maybe it's finishing that task you've been avoiding, or going for that run you keep delaying. Whatever it is, do it like it's the only thing that exists. At the end of the day, don't ask, did I finish everything? Ask, did I give my best to what mattered most? Day 6. Discipline over motivation. Motivation gets you started. Discipline keeps you alive when motivation disappears. Stop waiting to feel like it. Champions don't rely on mood. They rely on systems. So create yours. Wake up at the same time. Set a small morning challenge, cold shower, 5 push-ups, 10 pages of reading. Then repeat it. every day. Discipline is built through micro-promises, and every time you keep one, your mind learns to trust you again. Day 7. Purpose. The final day isn't about habits, it's about direction. Because if you don't know why you're doing this, you'll fall back into chaos. Write this down. What kind of person do I want to be in 1 year? Not what you want to have, but who you want to become. Visualize that version of you, calm, focused, in control. Then ask yourself daily, what would that person do today? That's how you reset your mind, not once, but every morning you wake up. The real reset. What happens after 7 days? When you wake up tomorrow, nothing outside you may have changed. The same problems might exist, but you will no longer be the same person facing them. Because resetting your mind isn't about deleting your past. It's about rewriting how you respond to it. You'll notice small things first. That voice in your head will get quieter. You'll stop reacting to every distraction. You'll begin choosing peace over chaos, action over overthinking. That's the moment you realize power was never lost. It was just buried under noise. The mind's comfort trap. Let's be honest. Your mind doesn't want change. It wants comfort. It will whisper, "You've done enough, relax, you'll start again next week." But that's the same trap that kept you stuck for years. Growth only happens when you stop negotiating with your excuses. Every time you say, "Not today," you give your comfort zone another victory. And every time you say, "Now," you build a stronger mind, one choice at a time. The power of 1%. Here's the truth most people never accept. You don't need massive transformation overnight. You just need 1% better each day. If you grow just 1% every day for a year, that's not 365% better. That's 37 times stronger, more focused, more confident. Small progress compounds faster than motivation ever could. The key is consistency, not perfection. From reaction to creation. Resetting your mind means shifting from reacting to creating. Instead of waiting for things to happen, you make them happen. You'll notice something magical. When you start acting like the person you want to become, the world starts treating you like that person. You don't attract success by chasing it. You attract it by becoming worthy of it. And that begins with mental discipline. Story of Daniel, the 7-day turnaround. There was a man named Daniel, a 29-year-old office worker who felt completely lost. Every night he'd promised to change tomorrow, and every morning he'd hit snooze. One day he saw a quote that said, "Your life doesn't get better by chance, it gets better by change." That night, he decided to run his own 7-day reset. He stopped using his phone before bed. He woke up early, wrote his goals, took a cold shower, and read 1 page of a book. By day 3, his mind began to fight back. "Why are you doing this? It's useless." But he didn't stop. By day 7, Daniel wasn't transformed, but he was awake. He felt alive again, proud again, in control again. Because he realized success isn't built in years, it's built in days of consistency. How to keep the reset going. The 7-day reset isn't the end, it's the start. Every week, do one small thing that challenges your comfort zone. Wake up 30 minutes earlier. Say no to distractions. Speak to yourself with respect. That's how you turn 7 days into a new identity. Because a new mindset doesn't come from motivation, it comes from momentum. When you feel like quitting, there will be moments when you slip. You'll miss a day, lose focus, or feel like it's pointless. Remember, resetting your mind isn't about never falling. It's about never staying down. The strongest people you admire weren't born disciplined. They just refused to let their lazy moments define